Thanks for checking in to WeatherBug here on this Thursday. Tom Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Well, the good news is that our deep freeze is fading, especially for folks down to the southeast where we've been extremely cold, and unfortunately with that wintry mess earlier this week, we can see most of that start to melt throughout the week here. Western rain and snow, we're happy about that, and also an active pattern resuming in the eastern two-thirds of the country. We'll tell you about that in a second. But Brian Tooney, or Toon, in Birmingham, Alabama, perhaps having a little fun. Not so fun if you're a commuter, but there you go. That's why we had so many issues in the Deep South, because all of the roadways, just a sheet of ice. You may have heard of some of the weather fatalities in the state of Alabama, and then, of course, in Atlanta, Georgia. The metro roadways gridlock, and because people were in their cars for so long, we actually had a baby being born in the Atlanta traffic on Tuesday. How about that? 14 degrees this morning down there, 24 in Minneapolis, and 25 in New Orleans. So again, the problem is that we're still frozen at least through early Thursday, and we'll start to see temperatures warm up. A lot of rain down in Florida there. Temperatures, of course, cold enough to the north for some snowfall. We've been checking in with some precip here over the next 5 days. It does appear that we'll continue to add some of this up, anywhere from, say, 1 to maybe 2+ inches, and that'll be in the form of some snowfall. Even the Sierra Nevada getting in on some pretty decent snow. Minneapolis under a winter storm warning through about midday Thursday, and some of that snow will be traveling east into the Great Lakes region. Our futurecast shows that heavier rain down to the south. Several impulses of energy ejecting from the west and sliding right through the Midwest. We've got another shot on Friday that could add to our already 4th snowiest January in Chicago. But again, that's going to continue to add up in those general areas, but definitely looking milder today.